everyone, welcome back to the OmogeMuRa YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can get this barely there and really natural summer makeup look. This look is what I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video, and I really like this look because it's matte and at the same time it's still a bit glowy, and at the same time your skin doesn't look like you have a bunch of makeup on it. It's a very natural, very beautiful look for the summer. Before I begin and go on in today's video, I just want to say something very quickly. Thank you guys so much for your support on the last video that I put up, my Me Too story. This is the first video that I am filming live. The other two videos were pre-recorded, and if you've watched them you'll understand what I mean. I just really want to thank you guys for all the support, and I'm getting really nervous and I'm getting really emotional again, but I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone that watched the video and supported me, and let's keep the conversation about rape culture, sexual assault, rape, entitlement and everything going. I really think it's a necessary conversation that we need to have as women and as men as well. Before I start today's video, please do me a huge favor and click on the subscribe button. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is free. It's free. It's free. It's free as the air you breathe. Also, do not forget to click on the notification button so you will always get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started in today's video. Alright guys, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is fill in my brows. I know I hardly film my brows on camera, but I'm doing it today. And I'm filling them in with the Evita Joseph Expert Brow Liner. And I really like this product because you can go very dark with it and you can go very light with it. And I'm filling in my brows naturally with just some natural strokes. I'm not even going to use concealer to clean them up because, again, this is a natural look. Then I'm going to put down a base for my eyeshadow, so I'm just using some concealer and I'm blending it out with my fingers. I put a little bit too much, but we'll deal with that later. Next, I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution palette. You guys know this palette. And I'm taking these two shades and mixing them together and creating my transition / crease shade. I'm really going for a shade that is really nice and warm. For the lids, I'm going to be using this House of Tara Flawless Finishing Powder. It's like a highlighter, but a subtle highlight. So I'm using this on my lids because I really want some shimmer on my lids, but not so much shimmer. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Chaotic Go Colossal Volumizing Mascara. And for this look, you're going to really want to use a mascara that you really like because you want your lashes to be fluffy but natural looking as possible. So I really like this mascara for that. Next is time for primer, and I'm going to be using my oldie but goodie Zaran face primer. It's really nice for filling in my pores and providing me a smooth base. And then I am going to set that primer with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Dark. If you have oily skin, this is necessary. My foundation today is the Clinique Even Better SPF 15 foundation. This foundation has a really nice natural looking finish on the face. Like, it makes me look like naturally glowy and naturally, beautiful. Now for concealer, I'm going to be concealing just right under my eyes, as you guys can see, and I'm using the House of Tara Pro Conceal, just concealing those dark circles right there. Then I'm going to set it with the Black Opal True Color Powder Foundation in the shade Medium Deep, I think. Yeah, this is a really good shade for me to like set under my eyes. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face with the Maybelline powder that I used after my primer. Then it's time to highlight, so I'm going to be taking that Flawless Finishing Powder again, and I'm going to be highlighting my prominent area, so that's my chin, my nose, my forehead, and my cheekbones. What I really like about this product is that it's glowy, but it's really subtle. And I know I am highlighting my pimples, but hey, no pimples are going to stop me and my glow, so allow me, I beg. For blush, I'm going to be using this old blush I got from this brand called Lache Cosmetics. It's called Raisin Cane. I don't know if they're still in Nigeria, but they used to be located at City Mall. I don't know what's happening with them. Haven't heard from them since. Now for my lips, I'm going to be using the Zara Cosmetics lipstick pen in the shade Muse. It's my favorite lip liner for me. I love it. And then I'm going to dot and blend in this lipstick. This lipstick is from Guerlain. It's a really shiny, voluptuous lipstick, but I'm not using so much so I don't get the color. I just want a little bit of the color, not all the color, just a little bit of it. Don't forget to do your under eye mascara. I almost forgot, which is why it's literally the scene that's coming after my lips. And that is it for today's look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really do. And if you did, please do let me know in the comment section below. Please do not forget to click on the subscription button, that button right there. Also, do not forget to click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps my videos. And do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!